Hi, first graders. It's Mrs. Tinsley. I just wanted to give you a pumpkin gram. So this pumpkin gram is just something here to say how sweet you are and how great you are doing in this class. You are doing an amazing job with your online school. You are doing an amazing job with all of the requirements for attendance and submitting work samples. So thank you so very much. I'm so proud of you, giving you a big thumbs up. And one thing that I wanted to let you know is that I did also attach to this email another pumpkin gram for you to send out to somebody special. You could send it out to a friend, to a learning coach, to family members, whoever you would want. But this is something to help you also with your writing. So remember, make sure that you're including capital letters for people's names. Those are proper nouns. And then also give some reasons why you wanted to send this sweet treat of a pumpkin gram to this person. Give some details as to why. So I hope that you all are having a wonderful day. Thank you so very much for working so hard in my class. And thumbs up again to you. Here, I hope you enjoy your pumpkin gram. Bye, boys and girls.